Tawfiq to follow the teachings of Islam in all spheres of life. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, Inna ad-deena 'inda Allahi al-Islam. Verily, the religion before Allah is Islam. At another place, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَمَنْ يَبْتَغِ غَيْرَ الْإِسْلَامِ دِينًا فَلَنْ يُقْبَلَ مِنْهُ وَهُوَ فِي الْآخِرَةِ مِنَ الْخَاسِرِينَ. If anyone desires a religion other than Islam, never will it be accepted of him. And in the hereafter, he will be in the ranks of those who have lost. Islam is an Arabic word that means submission and surrendering to the will of the Almighty Allah. Islam is the perfect form of the true religion and complete way of life.